So today we are going to start exercise 2.4 class, in which also there are word problems like exercise 2.2. So main thing is you have to know how to form the equation. If your equation is formed, it means the 80% of the work is already done. Okay. So let us start the question. The question is, Amina thinks of a number. See, we don't know about the number. So I am letting the number be x. Okay. Then they are saying subtract 5 by 2 from it. So it will be x minus 5 by 2 from here. Right. So it that is x will come first. Then she multiplies the result by 8 because we cannot subtract it. So I am putting it in a bracket and I am multiplying by 8. Then what they are saying, the result, which is this number, is equal to 3 times means 3 multiply the same number she thought of. And what was the number she thought of? X. So this was the equation. Now nothing, we just have to do the normal solution. 8 into x would be 8x minus 8 into 5 by 2. This 3 into x is 3x. Okay. We can cancel this class. Now 8x minus 4 into 5 would be 20 is equal to 3x. Okay. Rest the steps I am solving it here. Class, leave the 8x on left side. 3x is adding here. There it will get subtracted. And 20 is subtracting here. There it will get added. Okay. So 5x is equal to 20. 5 is multiplying here. There it will go and get divided. So the value of x comes 4. So what was the number she thought of? The number was 4. Clear, class? You can see the question as well as the answer here. Move on to the next question. A positive number is 5 times the another number. Means totally they are talking about 2 number. Okay? So what I am going to write solution is, let the first number is equal to x and the second number is equal to 5x. If 21 is added to both the numbers, class, according to the question, okay, what are they saying? Listen to it very carefully. They are saying 21 we are adding in both the numbers. So it will become like this. The new number, that is this, will be twice the first number. So this was the equation. Now let us solve it. 5x plus 21 will be equal to 2x plus 42. How it comes? 2 into x and 2 into 21. Okay. Now 2x will come here and get subtracted. 21 is adding here. There it will get subtracted. So this is the equation. 3x is equal to 21. 3 is multiplying here. Here it will get subtracted and the value will become 7. So what is the answer? 7. So it means our first number would be 7 and the second number would be, it will be 7. Okay. And this 5 into 7 will be 35. So one number is 7 and the other number is 35. So this was the question number 2. Now class, I am taking the example of question number 6, in which 2 things were given, length and breadth, and they are saying that they are in a ratio. So as you know, when the things are in ratio, we take it in the form of x, so 11x and 4x. Then they said the fencing cost is 75,000 at the rate of rupees 100 per meter. You know that fencing is always done in boundary. Okay. So what I am writing is that 100 into whatever the perimeter of rectangle would be, it means it has come 75,000. Okay. So perimeter will be 75,000 upon 100. Cancel 20 and 20. Basically our perimeter is 750 meter. Okay. So what is the formula of perimeter of rectangle? 2 into length plus breadth. Perimeter is given, 2 is given, length is given, and breadth is also given. So this 2 is multiplying here. Here it will get divided. This 11 plus 4 will become 15x. Clear? When you cancel this, you will get the answer 375. Now 15 is also multiplying, so here it will get divided. What will be the answer? 15 2s are 30. 75, 15 5s are. So what is x coming? 25 meter. But what was your x? X was nothing. Okay. X was just the part of the ratio. So how we will find out the length and breadth? Here I am writing length and breadth. Length was 11x and breadth was 4x. So 11 into 25 will get 275 and 4 into 25 will be 100. Okay. So this was the length and breadth. Am I clear, class? This was the length and breadth. So here we have the last question of the day, class, in which there are two persons. Actually, I have given two questions of the age theme as a homework. So I am taking one question in a classwork also. There are two persons, grandfather and granddaughter. Okay. So first equation, they are saying that the grandfather is 10 times the age of granddaughter. Okay. Secondly, they are saying that grandfather is also 54 years older than granddaughter. Okay. So as you can see, the both are the equations for the grandfather. So I can easily write that 10 times the granddaughter is equal to granddaughter plus 54. Means this and this can be cancelled and this both can be equated. Now G is adding here. Here it will get subtracted. 54 will left here. Now 9 is multiplying here. There it will get divided and we'll get the answer 6. So basically the granddaughter's age is 6 years. Okay. And if I have to calculate the grandfather's age, as you can see is 10 times the granddaughter. So 10 times the granddaughter, that is grandfather's age is 60 years. Okay. So this was the age question. Question number 9. Okay. Do look at all the questions again. In case of any query, do let me know. We will discuss again. 2 questions today I am going to give the homework. They both are on the same theme, that is age. Okay. Do try it. In case of any problem, please do let me know. Thank you so much, class.